Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Cutie Arts and Crafts. In this video I'm going to be unboxing L.O.L Surprise I Spy Pets. So let's start. And this is how it looks like from the outside. Now let's get in the inside. It was really hard to open it with a zipper, so I've decided to just open it with scissors. So right here we have our secret message. Now we need to open the second layer. When you open the 3 plastic layers, you'll find this bowl. I love the patterns on it. It says here L.O.L Surprise. So then I'm going to open it, and here are all the surprise blind bags and all the other things. So let's open these. So I think it's a cat because in here we have a little rat. So here we have a secret note, and here we have this so we can solve this, and here we have all the pets that we can collect. Now I'm going to open this blind bag. So here when you get this, you can see L.O.L Surprise, and when you get the other side you can see a E and a necklace. So let's open this blind bag. I think we need scissors. So I opened it with scissors, and in here we have this little bow that we're gonna put on the pet. And there's nothing else, but the blind bag was really big and it only had this really small bow. So when you take this, here we will see all these E's again, and here we have L.O.L Surprise. Now let's open the blind bag. And here we have a red and black bottle. Now we're going to open this blind bag. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we here have a sand scooper. So here we have, so in this sand pit we found these 4 white, red, and black shoes to go with our pet. Now we're going to open the pet. Let's get it out of the bag. Oh, it's a raccoon. I love its white hair. It has red eyeshadow. It's so cute. Now we're going to put our accessories on the pet. Oh, it looks so cute with all the shoes on. Now we've completed our pet. So we forgot to read the secret message. So it is Queen Bee. And when you go right here, you'll find its name, Black Stripe. Now we have Black Stripe. And I can take my pet anywhere I want with me. And I also added, it came with this, so it can be a little bag for my little pet. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell and like this video. And don't forget to stay creative. Bye!